Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'll be showing you the watch band toolkit. So this is what the package looks like. Okay. Alright. So you get 5 pieces of the toolkit. You got one hammer. It's approximately 8 inches long with a metal end and a nylon. Okay. Then you have 3 pieces of the pin punches, approximately 2 inches long. And you have the watch band holder. Alright, so I'll just do a quick demonstration on how to use this toolkit. So I have a leftover link band that I already moved from one of the watch. So all you have to do is basically just align this link band to the watch band holder, and make sure when you align this on the holder that there is a hole that you could poke through. Okay, so just like that, I'll align it right there, and you could see the pin right there. It's aligned where the hole is on the back of this right here. Okay, so all you have to do, insert your pin kit just like that, and then just hammer away. And there you go. Pin came out. There's the tiny pin. Okay. And there goes your link. Alright, so it's off now. So that's all it takes, guys. So stay tuned for the other video, which I'm going to be using this kit to remove my mom's watch.